Hi. Just so you know, when you're in the assignment, getting to know each other, you want to just scroll down and click on the plus sign in the pink circle. So I'm not clicking here or anywhere. I am just scrolling down this scroll bar here on the right side, and there's the plus sign. When I click, see how it says add post, and see how it says double click anywhere. If I double click there on the side, I have a post, and you write your name in the subject, and then you write your something beautiful. Or I can just click on this and the same thing, write your name and then write your information. There's ability to put pictures and links and stuff, and you can do a video if you want. Okay, so I hope that clears it up. Just you're staying just on this page alone, nothing more. And then when you have something typed in, then you just click off the board. Oh, and you click publish when you're done. And the you'll be the very first one. And yours will say anonymous, just like everyone else's. Okay, hope this helps.